Hi students, this is part 3 of chapter 4. Just a couple more slides here, and as I was saying, this is the last portion of the eukaryotic cell that we're going to review at the moment, and this part is the microtubules. This really is what gives animal cells their shape. So it's basically for structural support. And they are straight hollow tubes that are made up of proteins. Finally, we have extensions from the cytoskeleton. They typically aid in movement, and we have cilia as well as flagella. Cilia are usually more numerous and shorter, as seen here on a protist. And then flagella are usually longer and exist singly, as in sperm cells. So these are just extensions of the cytoskeleton that help a cell move about in its environment. And what's interesting here is you see cilia on a protist as well as cilia within our own digestive tract. So these structures are basically the same. Again, it's rather interesting that this cellular structure has been so conserved from very simple organisms all the way up to cells within our own body. So again, when I say something is highly conserved, it means that it evolved fairly early on, and there hasn't really been an evolutionary need for that structure to change because it does its job well. So it exists in other, often more evolutionarily advanced taxa or groups in basically the same unchanged form. Okay, and that is the end of chapter 4. Students, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. There's also the peer-to-peer discussion board that I just created on Blackboard, so you can pose questions there and get help from your fellow students, and I'll also be looking at that board to see if there are any questions that I can answer for you. Thanks for listening.